Hello YouTube, today we're going to be taking a look at this jump starter by ABOX. Now this is a 1500 amp starter and we're going to be testing it out and giving it a review. Before we get into this video, just a little warning about car batteries and high amp and voltage items. Please be careful around them as they are potentially dangerous. Once we open the box, the first thing we find is this very nice quality carry case. Inside the case we got the two battery clips up the top. We've also got an included USB-C cable. There's a warranty card and manual inside this little plastic sleeve here. The jump starter also comes with this attachment, meaning that you can power or charge anything that uses an in-car cigarette lighter for electrical supply. At the bottom of the case we got the actual jump starter battery pack here. It comes package wrapped in some protective plastic. The battery pack itself has two USB ports, a dust flap for the output for the actual charging jumper leads, a torch, a USB-C input, and a DC output. It feels very solidly made, there's no flex in it, and it's nice and weighty, it feels very premium. At the top here there's a button that you can press to check the current battery level. The battery pack can also be used to charge phones and other electrical items. Currently we've got a battery in the car that is very low on charge and will most likely not be able to start the car without the assistance of the jumper. So we're going to test that out first, and then once that's done we're going to test it with the jumper. As you saw, the battery is far too low to start without the jumper. Now we're going to try it with it. The jump starter was on 3/4 full battery and easily started the car. I like the fact that they've made the cables different lengths, so there's less chance of the two battery clamps connecting and causing a short. The battery clamps can open very wide so you can fit large terminals under them. The torch on the battery pack is very good. It's significantly brighter than your average smartphone torch. Overall, I'm very impressed with this jump starter, and at the price point it's listed at, it's a great deal. I definitely recommend picking this up.